Hey, here we are in a really shiny day. As you can see, that's my dog's poo. Um, yes, some birds over here. It's really shiny, you know. You can see the sun shining. Well, the purpose of this video is because you're gonna see some action, real action. I'm gonna show you the surprise I've got for you people. I hope you like it. It's Honduran made. And here we go. There's your surprise. It's a mortar, and it's Honduran made. I guess that baby really is gonna make your speakers go crazy. I guess. I don't know. We're gonna light it up over here and try to see if it works. Having some technical problems down here.
Oh shit.
Oh crap. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, people, enjoy this. Oh shit.
Oh fuck.
that sucked. But here, crap, people.